Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I did a video on Microvision, but it was pretty popular last Friday. I just got some more information to go over. And just to make sure nobody's missing out on anything with this particular company. Again, this is Microvision. Ticker is MVIS. And as you can see right now, it's trading at 23, 27, 29. It's been kind of dancing around there. You could have gotten in the dip here at 1996, and since then it's been running up. I have some of this in a different account that I got to looking at, and I don't have any here in Robinhood. I wish I would have. I was going to put in a $20 order right in here, and I didn't get it done. I was on a call, but I'll watch it here, and if it comes down to the 21 range, I might try that level, but we'll see if it touches that again or not. But you can see kind of what this one has done here over the last month. Could have got into it back on the 20th at $10.39, so it's had a pretty good run up. If you don't know what this one is, it's in the development of laser beam scanning technology. It offers its product under the Pico P brand, and feel free to pause and go over the rest. I'm sure if you're watching this, you know all about Microvision. Founded in 1993, $2.49 billion market cap, average volume of 15,000.64 million shares. And it does have this says May 6th, and other information that I found says April 29th, so we'll see which one's correct here. So if you go over to Bing here, earnings report expected on April 29th, so it'll be a date for you to watch. And again, this is just kind of a different view. Average volume shown here as, of course, it's increased to 94.72 million. Average is 12.7 and 3.72 market cap. Opened at $20.01. High so far is $23.90. And I've been watching this one this morning, so it's kind of a fun one to watch. Microvision becomes new Wall Street bets favorite. What you need to know. So today, Microvision closed 36% higher on Friday, and is capturing the imagination of retail Wall Street bets. A Reddit forum associated with the GameStop short squeeze earlier this year, which I had quite a few videos about. AMC, I believe they're still trading. BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond was in there. I think there was about 10 to 13 different stocks. It was quite a wild ride, and it was a lot of fun. So Microvision, which works on laser scanning, 3D sensing, and projection technology, was the most mentioned stock on the 24-hour basis on Wall Street bets. The Redmond, Washington-based company attached 230 mentions on the forum, while GameStop and Tesla racked up 110 and 102 mentions each. So that's what's kind of running this one up. Like I said, 36.76% higher at $17.97, and it ran up alongside other technology stocks such as AMD and Nvidia. So it's getting some traction, being talked about, and it's up there with some of the major players. So Wall Street was also responsible for short squeezes on Nokia, AMC, BlackBerry, and those were all back at the end of January, 1st of February, and I think some people are still trading them. I got out of all those, but the Post also touched on Microsoft's use of Microvision technology in their HoloLens 2 mixed reality product. So it could be another catalyst going on this one. The uses of Microvision tech are almost infinite. Microvision owns 55 patents and 90 plus pending patents, with most of those in the high-tech patents. That can be a huge revenue income for them. Overall, Wall Street bets, electric vehicles are dominating the discussion, followed by MJ, cryptocurrencies, and betting. So if you're trading Microvision, that'd be interesting to know. You can put that in the comments. Also, if you're into laser, LAZR, or Firstrade Autonomous, that'd be interesting to know as well. The ticker is FRSX. Microvision stock continues ahead of the financial results. Has had a long run in the market over the past few trading sessions, and that run is continuing to get today. The gain's more than 10% in the pre-market hours. While there's been no press release or SEC filings that would act as a catalyst, there's a good reason for the movement. We're seeing messages across Wall Street bets, so kind of the some of the same information. Message volume here seems to be continuing as we move closer to the company's financial report, which is expected to come out Thursday, April 29th. While Wall Street Bets members are chatting about Microvision, as mentioned above, the recent news in the value of Microvision stock seems to be closely related to all the chatter we're seeing on Wall Street Bets and social media from retail investors. But why would retail investors be chatting about the stock so much? Boils down to the big reason for the first big short squeeze we saw earlier this year in GameStop. And so that's pretty much what's running this one up. So we'll see how high this one goes. Retail investors are getting tired of the legal form of market manipulation and are making concerted efforts to reverse the direction by acting as a team and buying tremendous amounts of shares. In doing so, these retail investors are pulling the extra supply out of the market, forcing prices to go up, and forcing hedge funds and other big money investors out of their positions. And just some more information here on earnings. Again, on April 29th, the Moment analysts expect the company to report a loss of 2 cents, which is exactly the same as the loss we've seen over the past 3 consecutive quarters. Microvision can't be written off, posting last 3 months average volume of 16.42 million. So this just kind of goes over some of the trades and the price. Again, kind of some of the same information we've already touched on. Earnings on April 29th. Microvision full year performance was 7,145.97%. So from 23 cents to $24.18. So we'll see what it hits by the end of today. Could hit that $24 range again later today. So again, this just kind of goes over some earnings, some information that we've already went over. I'll go over and check Reddit. All in before it was cool, and I've looked at this company a couple times in the past and got some shares just in regards to the EV. I like to cover all bases with EV, and I'm in quite a few different EVs, and so that's kind of why I got into this one as well. There we go. Stock Twits currently sitting at 23.56, so we'll see if it can hit 24 today. Why not 25? Tell me why not. Give me a good reason. I guess there's no reason. 25. Here we come. So we'll see how high this one goes here today. I'm going to be watching it and got it on my radar. Got the alert set, and we'll see how high this one can go. Got in at $10. I'm sure there's lots of people that did get in at $10. Long at 15, so still doing pretty good even if you got in at 15. That's all the information that I have here on Microvision. I'll see if TipRanks gives anything on it. And it's just currently showing at a hold. 3 days to earnings call, and no current ratings on this one. But that's all that I have on Microvision. Like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and put it in the comments along with your cost basis. That would be interesting to know. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel. And hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.